Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Jared from CodeSpeak Labs, and today we are going to be making a Pokemon evolution game in Scratch. So here is our game. We're going to be coding a Pokemon to collect rare candies and level up, and once he reaches certain levels, he will evolve. So here we have Bulbasaur. You can see when we press the green flag, our game will start. So we can move Bulbasaur around with the arrow keys. Whenever we collect a rare candy, we gain a level. So the first evolution will take place at level 16. So let me show you that really quick. And now I've evolved. Then the next level or evolution will appear at level 32. So let me go ahead and show you what happens once we reach level 32. And now Bulbasaur reaches final evolution. This is what we are going to be making today. So today we're going to be using GIFs of Pokemon and uploading them into our projects. If you don't know what a GIF is, it's a type of file used to save images on your computer. It can often be animated, which is why we're going to be using GIFs today. Because if you noticed, when we make them move, they kind of do a little walking animation. Let's go ahead and go to scratch.mit.edu and click on Create. Okay, once we're inside of our new project page, we can go ahead and delete our cat over here. So we're not going to be using the cat sprite today. So just delete the cat. All you need to do, hover over down here in the bottom right until you find the blue trash can and just click on it. And now our cat is gone. Our next step is to go to the Pokemon database. So the website is pokemondb.net/sprites. Here you will find a bunch of different Pokemon. I would recommend picking a Pokemon that has 3 evolutions. So for example, Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, and the Venusaur. After we click on them, some of them are animated. So if you want to animate yours, make them do some cool little animations. When you scroll down, find one of the versions of the Pokemon that is animated. So here for Bulbasaur, it's under the Generation 5 tab. All you need to do is right click and click Save Image As. Okay, and then I will download the Bulbasaur GIF. I'm going to do this for both Ivysaur and Venusaur. Okay, so I'm going to go to Ivysaur next. And lastly, Venusaur. Okay. Once we've downloaded our Pokemon, we're going to download the rare candy sprite. So to do that, we're going to go to this new website, pokemondb.net/item/all. Once we're here, you can go ahead and filter for the rare candy. And then you can go ahead and right click and save the image. Okay, so make sure you right click on the little icon of the rare candy to save it. And to upload them into Scratch, we're going to go to the blue cat head in the bottom right corner, but don't click on it. We're going to go all the way up to the top and click Upload Sprite. So for me, it's in my Downloads folder, and I'm going to upload each sprite. So first I uploaded Bulbasaur, then I'm going to do it again for Ivysaur, and then Venusaur, and lastly my rare candy. So now I have all my sprites on my screen. Don't worry if they're too small, we'll be able to change the size of them later on. After that, you can go ahead and pick whatever background you want. So you go to the bottom right corner and click on the Choose a Backdrop. Once we have all of our sprites and backgrounds chosen, we can go ahead and begin coding.